Hi guys, as you can see by the title, today we are doing funniest breakup text messages. What? Okay, so this one is from Baby. Okay, why's my head still like that? Okay, so night. I had to talk. So you can be the green and I can be the. Or do you want to be that one? So what? Okay, night. I had a talk today and we can't be together. You're too much of temptation. Call me little moron. Moron, boy. I think it was meant to put moron, boy. Or whatever, but this is what I need to do. What I think I need to do. Off you want to talk about it. Let me know this has nothing to do with you at all. It's all me. And then
it's my hair, isn't it?
Okay, so let's look at some other ones. Okay, we've got a tiny one now. The number is there. Oh Lord, why didn't they block it out?
I know.
But the rest of the number you can't see. But I'm breaking up with you.
What?
I'm sorry, it's just that I just don't feel the same way about you anymore.
I think you have the wrong number.
Oh wow, I'm sorry. How awkward. Lol. But do you think that's a bad way to tell them? We don't know. We don't know.
Your dad and I are splitting forever.
What? No, call me.
I meant firewood. That didn't send. Stupid things keep changing stuff. Ugh, I had it.
Give him another chance.
I meant the phone changing words, and that didn't deliver either.
Damn. Next one. So this is from ex-girlfriend. I don't care that you're cheating on me. Your best friend anyway, so aha.
Okay, 1, that's a lie. He's in Wales for 2 weeks. 2, I didn't cheat on you. The perfume you smell was in my house. Was your mum's. And 3, you are.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, baby. I was just sad I hadn't seen you for 2 weeks. I'm still your girl.
Kiss. Okay, 1, you're pathetic. Making up, baby. 3, you're 4. 2, 5, you're not my girl anymore.
Okay, oh, you.
Okay, 1, you, many times. 2, I wouldn't you ever again. Anyway, you.
Wow, that's hard.
I need to tell you something.
What is it, babe?
I broke your Xbox.
What?
JK, I'm cheating on you.
So my Xbox is okay. Right. Okay, next one. Baby, please don't do this. You have no idea how important you are to me.
I gave you way too many chances. I'm done.
I'll do anything.
Forget it, alright? We're Octagon. Lol, I meant over. That was funny, but I'm still breaking up with you.
That was funny. This is by ex-boy. I think we should see other people. ...
Roses are red, violets are blue. You really thought I would cry over you. And I said I loved you. You thought that was true. Well, guess what, player? You just got played too.
It's 11:11. Make a wish.
Okay. What do you wish for?
For you and me to grow up and get married and stay together forever. What did you wish for?
To find a way to break up with you before it got serious.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I am. So this is
my
one.
ex. We're over.
Okay, bye.
Don't you buy me? You're supposed to feel pain. Why aren't you feeling pain?
Because I don't care. Got to go.
What they put GTG. G2G. This is not over. I'm texting you tomorrow to break up with you again. And this time you're gonna feel pain.
You're retarded. Sass. That girl's got sass.
She does. This one's too frank.
What's up? I'm bored. Tell me a good joke.
Sure. How do you keep an idiot in suspense?
Oh my god. How? Well, hello. It's been half hour. Are you gonna tell me?
Right, next
I
one.
don't think you should, Frank. Hi, Jared. I told James that I was sick and couldn't go out. Well, are you ready for tonight? And he didn't even spell that right.
Winky face. Gee, how stupid. Yes, I am, babe. Can't wait to have you in my bed.
I know, right? Lol, lol. And ugh, me too. I want you so bad. I'll break up with James next week. I promise.
Gee, don't worry, hon. I'll do it for you. By the way, this is James and we're over.
Oh my god, James. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Please forgive me.
Goodbye.
Go.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I've heard about Derek. I'm so sorry you two broke up.
Wait, he's breaking up with me? Question.
Wait, he hasn't done it yet?
No.
Oh, I could have sworn he said he broke it off. He hasn't liked you for months. What the? Oh, sorry.
What the? It's wrong with you. Stop talking. You're making it worse.
Okay, next one.
Have you seen that other movie called Other People?
Never heard of it. Why?
Because that's one I wanted to see.
Are you breaking up with me? Wow.
He didn't even say anything. We're not breaking up.
Exactly, but like it does.
Other People.
Okay, next one. Babe, I think I'm pregnant.
The AT&T subscriber, why you are
that's so
trying to reach is no longer in service.
You know you spelled you wrong.
The TAT
The
subscriber.
AT&T.
The AT&T and T subscriber you are trying to reach is no longer in service.
Right, I'm gonna use my YouTube magic and get a new one up. So ready? Steady? Okay, look what came on. Okay, bye, boyfriend. I think we need to break up.
Your autocorrect is messing up again.
You know what I mean? I'm serious.
And it's doing it again.
No, it's over.
Babe, you need to get to a new phone.
Get a new phone. Okay, next one. Hey, I miss you.
Who is this?
Your girlfriend, Andy. Are you joking?
I'm Andy's girlfriend.
What? You know what? Tell Andy well done.
Will do.
I bet she doesn't tell him. I bet, and then he's just like,
She can tell him herself.
gosh. But she might. Yeah, I'm my Pokeball, by the way, guys.
Stop it.
Okay, next one. thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, do you like my Starbucks? That is my background on my PC. Yes, bye guys. We'll see you in another one. Wait, why do we stop it?